Welcome. The purpose of this video is to get set up in Autodesk Fusion 360. We'll be using Autodesk Fusion 360 to create our toolpaths for a Velox 5050 CNC machine. This video covers how to create an account and general setup. First, go to https://www.autodesk.com. Scroll down and click on the free software for students. Click on the Get It Now individual license. Click on Create an Account. And then fill out the form with your information to create your account. Once you have an account, send the email address that you used to create the account to me on Basecamp. If other teams are watching this, your coach has probably set up a team account for you, and you should send your email address to your coach to have them add you to your team. Okay, after you're done, you can then install Autodesk Fusion 360. There's a download link in your account area. Once you do that, you can start it, log in, and it should look something like this.